Welcome to the new AutoCare.org experience. AutoCare.org is your one-stop shop for the tools and resources most important to your business. Here are a few key features to take advantage of. On the homepage of AutoCare.org, you'll find a sticky utility navigation that gives you access to log into your business solutions, tools to share, a quick contact link, a search bar, and access to your account. Our new navigation makes it easy to see at a glance the information you may be looking for, from data and information, to events, to networking and development, to government relations and news. Simply hover and navigate to your page. An innovative new Explore bar allows you to discover new projects and programs that are timely, such as awards, advocacy, events, and more. Select what you'd like to do and pick one of the subsequent options. The robust search tools makes it easy to find information and allows you to refine your results with a variety of filters. We hope that you'll take some time to browse the new AutoCare.org and see all that your association has to offer.